Get it!
He's like, why are you laughing at me?
Oh! It looks like a little jacket.
Looks like a cape.
It does look like a cape. Super Maxie! Alright, will you take it off of him?
No,
So
we have to leave it on.
No, forever?
Leave it on.
No.
He'll get out of it eventually.
No, look at he's stuck.
Fought the pieces.
Oh.
Get out of it. Don't take it off.
Oh, poor Maxie. Mama wants to help.
Go.
Look it. It's gonna choke him.
It's not gonna choke him.
I know. Mama wants to help. And look at how your socks are just all over the floor.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Get it off. Get it off, Maxie. Oh, no. Get it off. Come on. Keep wiggling. You can do it. Oh, now he's almost got it. Do it. Come on. It's like a cocoon that he's shedding. Or like a snake skin. Maxie. I'm done. It was hard work.
If you have any comments about the show, or if you'd like to suggest topics for
Maxie. I wish you'd see his tail moving around in there so he would attack it. That would be funny. Here.
Don't take it off on him.
No, I'm not. I'm just trying to get him to move so maybe he can get it off of him. Are we laughing at you? Yay! Maxie did it. Now go get it again. Here. He's gonna go get stuck in it all over again. He's like, this is my bag. My bag. Oh, no, he had it stuck on his leg. Yeah. Oh. Put the glove on. It disturbs him. Yeah.